We conducted some research in our classroom, and we had monarch caterpillars munching on milkweed all over the place. And we always gave them big leaves when they were 5th instar monarchs. And they ate a large amount of milkweed on some days and a small amount on others. For instance, one day, one of them only ate 31 square centimeters of the milkweed leaf. And on another day, one of them was really hungry and ate 143 square centimeters of milkweed leaf. So this will help give you a little bit of information about how to make your estimate of how much Crunchy Munchy ate in his one day. But now the boys and girls are going to tell you how they conducted their research, because scientists always start with a question. They want to know something, and we wanted to know how much would it eat in a day. So Howie, will you tell us what our question was?
How many square centimeters of a milkweed can a monarch caterpillar eat?
So we wanted to know that, and scientists always then come up with a guess or an estimate of what they think the answer will be. We call that a hypothesis, and we make that hypothesis before we actually do our experiment. So Adam is going to tell us what our hypothesis was for this experiment.
If you give a 5th instar monarch caterpillar a large milkweed leaf to eat, it will eat half of it in one day.
So we thought it might eat about half of the leaf. Some days we were right and some days we were wrong. We had to gather some materials to do our experiment, and Katie's going to tell you what materials we needed.
A large milkweed leaf, a 5th instar monarch caterpillar, a centimeter graph paper, a pencil, and a container for a caterpillar.
So you just need a few things to do this experiment. Now, what procedure did we follow? Elizabeth's going to tell you the procedure that we followed to do our experiment.
Trace the leaf onto graph paper. Put the leaf into the container with the caterpillar. Wait 1 day. Take out the leaf and give the caterpillar a new leaf. Trace what is left of the leaf. Count the numbers of square centimeters it ate.
So that's what we did to follow our experiment to see how much Crunchy Munchy ate, and you're going to be making your estimate of how much Crunchy Munchy ate. So back to you, Margie.